What's up guys, Bua Davis here. Today I'm gonna teach you how you can make very basic and easy scoring system for your game. If you like my content and want to see more videos like this, please like this one and subscribe to my channel. And of course, I will make everything as simple as possible, so even if you are a beginner, you can still follow along. Now let's get started, and I'm gonna use this game project, very easy one. And by the way, if you want me to make video how you can make those kinds of games very easily, just leave the comments down below and I will do it. But today we're gonna discuss scoring system in Unity, and we will make everything very simple. So let's get started. And obviously first thing that we need is to have some kind of UI for our scoring system. So we go on this hierarchy panel, empty space, right click with our mouse, and we will find here UI. Now, here we can use legacy text. This is old version, but let's use newer one, which is TextMesh Pro. So let's click on this text. And if you are opening this TextMesh Pro first time in your project, some window will pop up, and just click import. It will take only a few seconds, and it needs to import some TMP essentials. And after it, you are good to go. And we have this text, so let's zoom out to see where is our text. And this is our canvas panel. So we can drag this text and put it where we want. For example, I will place it around here, I think. We can also select this rect tool and make our text a little bit bigger. And like this. We can also make alignment to be center and center if you like. And also I will change text to be 0. After it, we can go to the game view, or like this. And here we will see our text, which is pretty small right now, so we can change this font size to be something like 70 or 80. Just make how you like. We can also make font style bold and change different things. Also, if you have any font that you want to use, you can drag your font right here. I don't have any fonts in this moment in my project, so I will leave just the default one. Which is fine. We can also change text of our scoring, but I think I will leave it as white. And that's it. We have our text, and we can go and create for us C# script and work on it. To create C# script, we can go in the assets panel, right click, create C# script, and I already have one empty script prepared for us. I named it game manager. You can name it as game manager 2, but just make sure to not to have any spaces in your naming, otherwise your script will not work. And also we need to create some game object to attach our script. So I will create just empty game object. So right click on the hierarchy panel, create empty, and I will call it level or some score. You can name it anything you like. You can also name it game manager if you want, but I will name it score, and I will attach my script to my empty game object of score right here. And let's double click to open in Visual Studio, and let's start working on it. Script will be very simple, so don't worry. We just need to have one integer, so int, and let's name it score, and by default it will be 0, because when we start our game, I want my score to be 0, obviously. And also we need to have reference for our text, but before it, we should add right here one more line using TM Pro, in order to use TM Pro text elements. And after it, we can have reference for our text. So we can say public TM Pro TMP text. Where is our TMP text? Here it is. And let's call it something like score text. And let's create new function for our text. So void, I will call it score up, just a new function. And here I will say that I want my score to increment with time. So we can say score plus plus. It means that score will be added and will be incremented. And after it, we need to change our text element as well and connect our text element to our score itself. And it's also very simple. We just need to take our score text, dot text. It means that we are referring to text element, and it will be equal to our score. But the problem is that our score is integer, as you know, and the text element is string. So we should convert the score into this string, which is very simple. We just need to say score dot to string and parentheses. Don't forget semicolon, and that's it. And then we go in the start, and we can use a lot of ways, but I will use invoke repeating, which allows us to use function. But also we can have some time control there. So in quotation marks, we can say name of our function, which is score up. So let's say score up. And outside it, we can say our time control. For example, if I say 2F and 1F here, it means that our scoring will start after 2 seconds, after we start the playing, and every 1 second 1 point will be added. You can also change it if you want your score to get faster. You can say 1F and 1F if you like, but I want to have some time when I start my game. I hope it makes sense. There is nothing really complicated. We can save this script because that's all we need. Very simple. So Control S or Command S if you are on Mac. So let's go back in Unity and see if everything works. Well, first thing, we need to assign our text element to our score empty game object. So let's go into score, and here you see empty slot of score text. So we can drag this text and drop it here immediately. And let's start playing and see if our scoring is working. All right, our scoring has started and it is working. Great. By the way, if I die, level will restart and our scoring will restart as well. So that's it, guys. I hope this video was informative for you. And if you like my content and want to see more videos like this, please like this one, subscribe to my channel, and ring the notification bell not to miss any new upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye bye.